Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and oh my gosh guys, do we have some amazing glitches going on this week at Dollar General. And in this video, I'm going to tell you all about all of the glitches, and we even have a money-making deal, so make sure that y'all stay tuned until the end. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into these deals. We have a lot to go over, several new glitches, and we even have a little bit of a money maker. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and watch the video all the way through until the end. It happens so often that I get questions in the comment section, and these questions have already been answered in the videos, and I know that I make these videos where it's kind of easy for people to skip through, grab the screenshots, and go on about their day. But when you do that, you're possibly missing out on some information, whether I am telling you guys that throughout the video, giving y'all all the information, or putting it on a slide. Either way, you can miss information. And then if you're down in the comment section asking questions that I specifically answered in that video, you're kind of telling on yourself. So let's not do that and just watch the video all the way through. I try to make these videos as short, sweet, and simple as possible while still giving you guys all the information that you need to get some really good deals. Alright, so if y'all could do that for me, that would be great. And also hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below, even if it's just a smiley emoji or a hi, hello, thank you, whatever. All of those things really do help me out. Alright, so let's get into this video. Now, on Sunday, we received a lot of new Dollar General store coupons, and in Sunday's video where I went over all the new coupons, I told you all that if these coupons start working, we could potentially have some really good deals. Well, that has happened, and here we are. We're going to talk about these glitches. So first up, we have the Pepsi coupon. It is a 3 off 2. When you purchase one Pepsi product and one Frito-Lay product. Now this coupon, there was a little bit of confusion on Sunday. Was this coupon working with Gain products? And unfortunately, it is not. That would be great if it did, but it is not attaching to any of the Gain products, even though those products show up underneath the coupon. Once you click on the product, the coupon does not attach to those Gain products. And I did try a couple of Gain products in the store just to double check for you all, and unfortunately that is a no-go. But either way, we still have a really good deal with this Pepsi coupon. So this little deal that y'all see in front of you is the deal that I did, but there's a lot of different ways that y'all can mix and match. So first, you want to make sure that you pick up one of the Pepsi, Mountain Dew, or Crush 1.25 liters, all right? These are priced at $1.25. Some areas may have 1 liter bottles instead of 1.25 liters. Just make sure that you scan it and make sure that that coupon attaches when you're in the store, all right? And then I picked up the Frito-Lay dip. This is the mild cheddar, but there's different flavors that y'all can choose from. These are $3.20. So with that coupon, you're going to pay $1.45 for both products. So I think that is a really great deal. And like I said, there's a lot of different ways that y'all can mix and match. If you wanted to pick up a 12-pack instead of the 1.25 liter, you can definitely do that. It's just going to be more out of pocket. This is the lowest out of pocket deal that y'all can do at Dollar General with this coupon, all right? But like I said, there's a lot of different ways that y'all can mix and match. So I'm going to show you all a couple of slides, and I'll meet you back here, and I'm going to show you the second deal that I did at Dollar General. Alright guys, so here's some other ways that y'all can do this deal with that 3 off 2 Pepsi coupon. You can pick up one of the 1.25 liters at $1.25 and one bag of the Munchies. Those are priced at $3.35. Use that coupon, you're going to pay $1.60 for 2. Now, we also have the rolled gold pretzels. Those are also priced at $3.35. Pick up one of those plus a 1.25 liter. And again, that's going to leave you paying $1.60 for 2. All right, now the next few slides that I'm sharing with you all are just going to be other products that y'all can pick up with one of those Pepsi 1.25 liters. I just wanted to show you all the different products and the prices and the sales that we have going on so that you guys can pick up 1 bag of chips or 2 bags of chips or whatever you want to do. All right, all right, so with this first slide, we have the Lay's chips at $3.60. We also have the Doritos at $3.80, and we have the Cheetos at $4.25. However, these are all on sale 2 for $6. So if you wanted to pick up 2 bags of those chips plus the Pepsi, Mountain Dew, or Crush 1.25 liter for $1.25, after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $4.25 for all 3 products. Now, another product that's also working with this coupon are the Fritos chips. Now, these are priced at $4.60 each, but they are on sale 2 for $7. So if you wanted to pick up 2 bags plus one of the 1.25 liters, after that coupon, you're going to pay $5.25 for all 3. Now, also working with this coupon are the Ruffles and Tostitos chips at $4.60 each. However, those are on sale 2 for $8. So if you pick up 2 bags of those plus a 1.25 liter, after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.25 for all 3 products. Alright guys, so here is the second transaction that I did at Dollar General, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you all this is a self-checkout glitch only. I have not tried this at the regular register, and I probably will not because I only have a few accounts with these coupons on them, and I don't want to lose them because I'm hoping that this glitch will stick around until Saturday, alright? Now, if you guys want to try this at the regular register, go right ahead. Proceed with caution. If it doesn't work out, you can always void the transaction, alright? However, I'm trying to keep these coupons on this account, and we're all going to cross our fingers that this is still working on Saturday because this is a great deal, all right? And it's going to be a great filler item for our 5 off 25s on Saturday if this works. Right? So, self-checkout. Pick up 2 of the Suave Men's Moisturizing Body and Face Washes for $3.25. There are some other options that I'm going to show you all after we get done with this little video clip, and you can mix and match. Now, at this particular store that I was at, they did not have a lot of items in stock. The shelves were pretty bare. Not sure what's going on there, but hopefully they will have everything stocked and on the shelves so I can go back and pick up some more items. Alright, but you can mix and match, and I'll show you guys some other products that y'all can pick up here in just a second. So what you want to do is make sure that you have 3 coupons on your account. We have 2 Suave coupons, DG store coupons for $2 off when you spend $6. And then we also have another $2 coupon on the Suave Men's Axe Dove products. All right, all 3 are DG store coupons, and all 3 are stacking at self-checkout. All right, so if you pick up 2 of the Suave Men's Body Wash at $3.25, that is going to put you at $6.70 after all 3 of those coupons come off. All right, so you're at the self-checkout. You want to type in your phone number for your digitals, click Pay Now. All 3 of those DG store coupons will come off, and that's going to leave you paying 70 cents. So here's a look at my receipt just to show you all that it did in fact work without any problems whatsoever. 70 cents plus tax for both of them. So just 35 cents each. Amazing deal. Now, the even better part of this glitch is that those coupons stayed on my account. I got home, I waited a couple hours, and I kept checking back, and I was like, oh my gosh, they're still there. They are still there. So those coupons are still on my account. So we can do this deal over and over and over at self-checkout. All right, so this is definitely a run deal. You want to get out there and grab these products before they are all gone, especially if you have a lot of couponers in your area. All right, so get out there. Do this deal if you have self-checkout. And if you don't have self-checkout, I'm going to show you all another glitch that's happening with this, with one of those $2 DG store coupons on another product here in just a few minutes. But let's go ahead. I'm going to show you all the slides and the other products that y'all can pick up and mix and match and do this deal, all right? All right, guys, now here are the products that are working with this glitch, and y'all keep in mind you can mix and match. So first up, we have the Suave Men's Moisturizing Body and Face Wash, 28 fluid ounces. We also have the Suave Men's Refreshing Body Wash, 28 fluid ounces. And then we also have the Suave Essentials Women's Body Wash, Ocean Breeze Scent, 28 fluid ounces. All of those are priced at $3.35. So pick up two, that's going to put you at $6.70. And after all three of those DG store coupons apply, that is going to leave you paying 70 cents for two. Now, if you guys don't have self-checkout, here is another glitch that y'all can do with that 2 off 6 DG store coupon on the Dove, Suave, and Axe products. You can actually pick up 3 of the 1.7 ounce Axe deodorants. Those are the smaller size deodorants for $2.95. Pick up a total of 3 of those, and that 2 off 6 coupon is working with those smaller sizes. So that's going to be paying $6.85 for all 3. So that might be a really good deal to throw in with some 5 off $25 scenarios. All right, now this last little deal here is a money-making deal, and I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Cassie again for sharing this awesome deal with us. So if you guys can find the Golden Grams cereal bars up near the register, these are priced at 45 cents each. What you want to do is pick up a total of 5, and you're going to pay for them out of pocket. Now, even though you're going to pay $2.25 out of pocket, don't worry about it, because you are actually going to get all of your money back plus $1.50, because right now on Ibotta, we have a 75-cent rebate for the General Mills treat bars, and this rebate is working on those Golden Graham single cereal bars. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get back $3.75. That is going to make your final price completely free plus a $1.50 moneymaker. Now, these Ibotta rebates have been resetting like crazy. So what I would do is go into the store, pick up a total of 5, scan your receipt into Ibotta, wait 24 hours just to make sure that that rebate resets. And if your store still has 5 more in stock, I would go back into DG, grab 5 more of those things, scan your receipt, and you're going to make another $1.50. They're basically paying you to take these out of the store. So it is a win-win deal. Now, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, I do not know what you're waiting on at this point, because we have had some fire deals over the past few weeks using digital coupons and Ibotta rebates at Dollar General and Walgreens. We have had money-making deals every single week. So you guys definitely need to make sure that you are signed up. And if you want to use my referral code, it is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you are going to receive an amazing welcome bonus. So make sure that you're signed up. Again, my referral code is on the screen as well as down in the description box below. And as always, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app as well, because every single receipt earns points. This is the easiest rebate app out there, guys. So if you're not signed up for this one, I don't know what to tell you. You have to be signed up for Fetch and be scanning those receipts to earn points, so you can then turn those points into gift cards. Again, the easiest rebate app out there. So y'all make sure that you're signed up, and if you're not already, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below, and if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can get out there and grab some of these awesome deals. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, hit that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below, let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.